Hey, Enjoy the Lifers. Welcome back to Enjoy the Veggie. In this episode, we're going to show you how to make a special Swami curry, a potato, broccoli, cauliflower, and okra curry. Then we're going to go and share this holy curry with our neighbors.
Would you like some food?
Who live under the freeway down the road. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified about all our new videos. Hey, Enjoy the Lifers. Welcome back to Enjoy the Veggie. Today we're going to make a special Swami curry. I was taught how to make this curry by a mystical South Indian yogi by the name of Rangaswami Paramahamsa Paramasao, or we call him Swami. I met Swami on the Venice Beach Boardwalk, where he sold religious art to support his free meditation classes. He offered to teach me meditation for free.
Welcome for the Mahasadeva Ashram, everybody.
I attended his free classes and I learned how to meditate and what it means to be a human being. At the end of the classes, he would serve free vegetarian curry, and I learned how to share and serve other people. Swami taught me that cooking can be a beautiful meditation when you focus on the task at hand and free your mind from other thoughts. I'm wearing my dhoti today in remembrance of Swami and his holy teachings, and we're making this curry to share with our neighbors that live under the bridge because they need some fresh food to eat. Here's some of the ingredients you'll need. Before I start cutting the vegetables, I add 1 1/2 cups of dal to about 4 to 5 cups of water and bring it to a boil for about 15 minutes until tender. Dal is a form of lentil which helps make the curry base. Now we start to cut our vegetables. We like to use all of the broccoli, and that means this is where all the vitamins are actually in the stalk. So generally we peel the hard skin off, and we also cut this up and we use this because so many people just throw. But no, we want to use every bit of the vegetable. We don't want to waste anything. Chopping vegetables is such a great meditation, giving your complete attention to the vegetable, focusing on the task at hand, being very conscious of the vegetable, and becoming one with the vegetable. Therefore, infusing it with powerful energy. That's what makes cooking such a magical task. This recipe is for about 6 to 7 quarts of curry. After the veggies are all prepared, I prep 8 tomatoes and throw them in the blender. I add the salt, curry powder, garlic, curry leaf, onion, ginger, the coconut milk, about a 1/2 cup of water, and blend well. If you have a small blender, you may have to make 2 batches. Then add this mixture to the boiled dal, and this will be the curry base. And bring to a boil. And I add the rest of the curry leaf. Curry leaf is what gives a good curry its flavor. And then I lightly brown a teaspoon of fenugreek and a teaspoon of cumin seed and add them to the curry. Bring to a boil and add about 3 tablespoons of curry powder and about 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add your potato and be really careful not to overcook your vegetables, especially the potatoes. I let the potatoes cook a bit, then I pre-cook the rest of the vegetables in a wok to bring out the flavor. I start with the cauliflower, then add the broccoli, then the okra. As the vegetables are boiling, I add more curry powder, salt, depending on the taste you want. Now I give the broccoli a quick turn in the wok, about 2 to 3 minutes, and then add them to the curry to boil. And finally the okra, and make sure you cook off all the gooey stuff. When all the vegetables are cooked, I remove the curry leaf because they're not good to eat. Boil until the vegetables are tender, not soft and overcooked. Remember, the vegetables keep cooking after the heat is turned off. And it's ready to serve on some basmati rice. You can also add some sesame seeds on top. We also fried some Indian papad. These are these really thin and crunchy wafers. Oh, they're so good. Let's try it out. The potatoes. I love this curry. Now it's time to feed this curry to the special people under the bridge. We decided to cook up some pakora to give them something extra. We have a separate tutorial teaching how to make this delicious dish. pakora are so good. Now it's time to feed our neighbors. Starting with some rice, curry, pakora, and bapad, and some rice pudding for dessert. It's important that they have a full meal.
Would you like some food?
All the people that we handed food to were very nice and polite, and they were very grateful. We also had the opportunity to meet the Rand family, who are desperately trying to get off the streets. They seem like really nice people, and I want to help somehow. Riding with Charles, Connie, and Melinda, and they're going to say hello.
Hello.
We really need to get off the street and get our life back, you know. It's a nightmare that's beyond words, so we just want to be back to normalcy.
This is just really dehumanizing, and the other night somebody even threatened our life. We're just trying to get back to normal, trying to get a home, trying to live and be productive.
I made a special video for them, and there's a link to their GoFundMe page, so please go and donate whatever you can to help them find permanent housing. They're good people and they need help. Hey, thanks for watching, and for more information, go to our website, enjoythelifeblog.com, for the full recipe. If you're not subscribed, please do so now. And in the next episode, we're going to show you how we make our deep-fried pakora treats. They are so delicious, so tune in. Thanks for watching this episode of Enjoy the Veggie. And don't forget, enjoy the life. You're going to love this curry. It's so good.